Are you new here?
Are you new here?
Are you new here?
Tu es nouveau ici? Are you new here?
Yes, I just arrived.
Yes, I just arrived.
Yes, I just arrived.
Oui, je viens d'arriver. Yes, I just arrived.
What's your address?
What's your address?
What's your address?
Quelle est ton adresse? What's your address?
I live on King Street.
I live on King Street.
I live on King Street.
J'habite rue King. I live on King Street.
Do you know the rules?
Do you know the rules?
Do you know the rules?
Tu connais les règles? Do you know the rules?
Yes, I read them.
Yes, I read them.
Yes, I read them.
Oui, je les ai lus. Yes, I read them.
Can you close the door?
Can you close the door?
Can you close the door?
Tu peux fermer la porte? Can you close the door?
Sure, no problem.
Sure, no problem.
Sure, no problem.
Bien sûr, pas de problème. Sure, no problem.
Do you know this word?
Do you know this word?
Do you know this word?
Tu connais ce mot? Do you know this word?
No, what does it mean?
No, what does it mean?
No, what does it mean?
Non, que veut-il dire? No, what does it mean?
Do you want to go out?
Do you want to go out?
Do you want to go out?
Tu veux sortir? Do you want to go out?
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Oui, allons-y. Yes, let's go.
Are you comfortable?
Are you comfortable?
Are you comfortable?
Tu es à l'aise? Are you comfortable?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Oui, merci. Yes, thank you.
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
C'est loin d'ici? Is it far from here?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Pas vraiment. Not really.
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
Tu peux réparer ça? Can you fix this?
I'll try.
I'll try.
I'll try.
Je vais essayer. I'll try.
Do you enjoy your work?
Do you enjoy your work?
Do you enjoy your work?
Tu aimes ton travail? Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, it's interesting.
Yes, it's interesting.
Yes, it's interesting.
Oui, c'est intéressant. Yes, it's interesting.
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
What's your favorite sport?
Ton sport préféré? What's your favorite sport?
I like football.
I like football.
I like football.
J'aime le foot.
I like football.
Are you ready now?
Are you ready now?
Are you ready now?
Tu es prêt maintenant?
Are you ready now?
Yes, let's begin.
Yes, let's begin.
Yes, let's begin.
Oui, commençons.
Yes, let's begin.
Can I sit with you?
Can I sit with you?
Can I sit with you?
Je peux m'asseoir avec toi?
Can I sit with you?
Sure, come here.
Sure, come here.
Sure, come here.
Bien sûr, viens ici.
Sure, come here.
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Quelle heure est-il?
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
Il est 9 heures.
It's 9 o'clock.
Do you like reading?
Do you like reading?
Do you like reading?
Tu aimes lire?
Do you like reading?
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Oui, beaucoup.
Yes, a lot.
Are you still working?
Are you still working?
Are you still working?
Tu travailles encore?
Are you still working?
No, I'm done.
No, I'm done.
No, I'm done.
Non, j'ai fini.
No, I'm done.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
Que veux-tu faire?
What do you want to do?
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
Regardons un film.
Let's watch a movie.
Do you want to stay?
Do you want to stay?
Do you want to stay?
Tu veux rester?
Do you want to stay?
Just a little longer.
Just a little longer.
Just a little longer.
Juste un peu plus longtemps.
Just a little longer.
Is it raining?
Is it raining?
Is it raining?
Il pleut?
Is it raining?
Yes, take an umbrella.
Yes, take an umbrella.
Yes, take an umbrella.
Oui, prends un parapluie.
Yes, take an umbrella.
Are you on vacation?
Are you on vacation?
Are you on vacation?
Tu es en vacances?
Are you on vacation?
Yes, for 2 weeks.
Yes, for 2 weeks.
Yes, for 2 weeks.
Oui, pour 2 semaines.
Yes, for 2 weeks.
Do you work weekends?
Do you work weekends?
Do you work weekends?
Tu travailles le week-end?
Do you work weekends?
Sometimes, yes.
Sometimes, yes.
Sometimes, yes.
Parfois, oui.
Sometimes, yes.
What do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
Que aimes-tu faire?
What do you like to do?
I like drawing.
I like drawing.
I like drawing.
J'aime dessiner.
I like drawing.
Can we speak English?
Can we speak English?
Can we speak English?
On peut parler anglais?
Can we speak English?
Yes, that's fine.
Yes, that's fine.
Yes, that's fine.
Oui, pas de problème.
Yes, that's fine.
Do you feel tired?
Do you feel tired?
Do you feel tired?
Tu te sens fatigué?
Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Yes, very tired.
Yes, very tired.
Oui, très fatigué.
Yes, very tired.
Are you busy now?
Are you busy now?
Are you busy now?
Tu es occupé maintenant?
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
No, I'm free.
No, I'm free.
Non, je suis libre.
No, I'm free.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Que fais-tu?
What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm cooking dinner.
Je prépare le dîner.
I'm cooking dinner.
Are you on your phone?
Are you on your phone?
Are you on your phone?
Tu es sur ton téléphone?
Are you on your phone?
Yes, just texting.
Yes, just texting.
Yes, just texting.
Oui, j'envoie un message.
Yes, just texting.
Do you need a break?
Do you need a break?
Do you need a break?
Tu as besoin d'une pause?
Do you need a break?
Yes, let's rest.
Yes, let's rest.
Yes, let's rest.
Oui, reposons-nous.
Yes, let's rest.
Do you feel okay?
Do you feel okay?
Do you feel okay?
Tu te sens bien?
Do you feel okay?
Yes, don't worry.
Yes, don't worry.
Yes, don't worry.
Oui, ne t'en fais pas.
Yes, don't worry.
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
Je peux emprunter ton stylo?
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, take it.
Sure, take it.
Sure, take it.
Bien sûr, prends-le.
Sure, take it.
Do you like meat?
Do you like meat?
Do you like meat?
Tu aimes la viande?
Do you like meat?
Yes, especially chicken.
Yes, especially chicken.
Yes, especially chicken.
Oui, surtout le poulet.
Yes, especially chicken.
Is it safe here?
Is it safe here?
Is it safe here?
C'est sûr ici?
Is it safe here?
Yes, very safe.
Yes, very safe.
Yes, very safe.
Oui, très sûr.
Yes, very safe.